Good evening, guys. This is Rishikesh from this side. Welcome to Rishi Quant Research YouTube channel. Yesterday, we got the significant Nifty levels for today. Let's see how those levels worked out. I told you these levels works like a charm. They work like a charm. Really, you just have to follow this channel and just stay with the channel for a couple of months, and you can see how these levels work out, how these levels work in which kind of trend, how they can be traded. And maybe after a month or a couple of months later we can talk about how we can possibly trade these levels. Okay, so let's go to the yesterday's levels, that is 10th March 2026. So let me go there. Yes, these are yesterday's levels. Market yesterday was here, and these were the levels we gave. You can go back to my previous YouTube video of 10th March and you can verify. Okay, so this is today's market. This was the level nearest to the yesterday's, and see, this level broke out and straight went away and dropped to the 23,900, where it showed some support, significant support, but again that broke down and the market settled at the end of the session to 23,848, and our significant level yesterday given was 23,850 within 2 points. See how this level works. So let's you can just share your experiences in the comment. So let's run our Python code and get the level for tomorrow, that is 12th March. Today is 11th March 7:32 p.m. and we'll get now run our Python code and get the levels for 12th March. We'll remove these levels. Okay, yes. So let's go to our Python code and run. Yes, current today's level 23,960. Let's plot this. $23,960 and let's get the other levels. Okay, so the higher levels are higher levels are 24 to 20. Then we have 24,600, and then 24,650. Lower levels are 23,900. I think these are same as yesterday's. Maybe 23,850. and then 23,350. Guys, see, when the significant levels are, you know, in such a fashion, they are tightly together, observed tightly together, then you will find an interesting pattern in the movement of the price. You can see that tomorrow. Okay, of course there can be unforeseen events in the market and it might not follow, but most of the time, more than most of the time, these levels work. So we'll observe these levels tomorrow. So again I repeat, the levels are 23,960, 23,900, 23,850. Upper levels resistances 24,220, 24,600, 24,650. Lower level 23,350. Okay, and there is a different announcement, guys. I will be starting a new YouTube playlist. Okay, first playlist will be on RSI. So that just a minute. First playlist will be on RSI, and we'll do the RSI analysis. Okay, statistical probabilistic analysis, how the RSI behave, how the price react to it, and what are the empirical probabilities, what could be the returns if the RSI is such and such, what different problem statements related to the RSI. We'll try to solve it. Okay, that will be the analytical study. Okay, so from that you will get a guidance. Okay, that will be the analytical study of historical data. So from that you will have a guide, you will have something to work with. You can be pretty sure how the RSI could be used. Of course, the standalone single indicator does not work. We generally use multiple indicators in combination, but to calculate or predict the effect of multiple indicators, we first have to study individual effect of an indicator. Okay, so maybe I'll upload that to different playlists tomorrow, that video, the problem statement. Let me tell you the problem statement for tomorrow. So the problem statement for tomorrow's RSI is analysis of RSI and the next N candle returns. Okay, again I will repeat, the problem statement for tomorrow is analysis of RSI and next N candle returns. Specifically it will be for Nifty 50 5-minute 1 day time frame. Okay, so stay tuned and follow, share and subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel and like these videos. Share these with your friends and family. Okay, thank you, goodbye, good night.